In this video, I'll show you how to install Ubuntu using a bootable USB drive. Setup process might differ when using other versions or when installing it on different hardware. This video uses timestamps, so feel free to skip to any part. This is the official Ubuntu website. Scroll down to the desktop part and click on Download Ubuntu Desktop. Then click on Download to download the ISO file of the latest version. This is Rufus, a tool that creates bootable USB drives. Scroll down and click on the portable version to download it. It's also available on Microsoft Store if you want to install it from there. After downloading the ISO file and Rufus, plug in your USB drive and start Rufus. The plugged-in USB drive should display in the Device part. Click on Select and select the Ubuntu ISO file. Persistent partition size can be set if you want to run Ubuntu Live on the USB drive. Partition scheme is set to MBR by default. You can change it to GPT for UEFI and modern hardware support, as well as large disk drives. You can rename the USB drive on the volume labeled text box. Click on Start, then click on OK on following prompts to start the process. It might take some time to finish, so keep that in mind. It finished creating a bootable USB drive. You can now close Rufus and eject the USB drive. Plug in your USB drive on the other PC and boot to the BIOS. As soon as the PC starts or brand logo appears, keep pressing Del or F2 or F8 or F12. Each PC or motherboard brand has a different BIOS access key. Look for Boot Manager or Boot Device. Might have different names. And select your plugged-in USB drive and press Enter to boot. Press on Enter to select Try or Install Ubuntu. Now wait until it boots up. It booted successfully. Now simply set up your personal preferences. Select Install Ubuntu, then click on Next. Then select Interactive Installation, then select Extended Selection for more pre-installed software. Select which proprietary software to install. Click on Manual Installation if you want to set up disk partitions and such, or simply select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Set up your local account and your time zone. Then click on Install to start the install process. It'll take some time to finish. It's been installed successfully. Click on Restart Now. Remove the USB drive and press Enter to reboot. Enter the password to log in with your account, and that's it. There you go, it's been installed and ready to use. If you install Ubuntu on a virtual machine, VBox Guest Editions or VMware tools will install and work without issues. Ubuntu uses around 10 gigabytes of disk space and 1.6 gigabytes of RAM on idle. These are the pre-installed software. Mozilla Firefox is the default web browser. If you want to install more software, you can use the App Center. Fetch system info. Lastly, this is the appearance customization window.